just got word that some guys are gonna go and do some runs, so I guess I'll go and make my presence known there. Haven't run her in like 3 or 4 weeks. We'll see what she can take tonight, or lose to. Here's the guy I'm looking for. Bro, I just parked next to this guy over here. This guy right here. He was parked right here, and then I parked next to him and I was like, what's up, dude? And like, it was, that was embarrassing, man, but whatever. So, if you remember this guy is from the 5.0 video. That video got 10,000 views, dude.
Damn,
so,
for real?
yeah, so you're in a video that has 10K views. How's that feel?
Good.
He wanted to run me. Has a, is it modded?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's he got done?
I have a Bama tune.
Oh, it's tuned?
Yeah, it's tuned.
It's fucking tuned?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. So, you modded within the past like 4 weeks since I made that video, right?
Yeah.
Damn, nice, dude. I was kind of iffy about racing him because I thought I was racing a stock Ecoboost. I was like, blow him out of the water if he's stock. But since you're tuned now, you should have some more boost running to this little baby motor.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's do it then.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys rolling or is it dig?
Nah, we're doing a dig.
Dig?
Yeah.
Digs only, man.
Who's gonna spin more tire?
Probably me.
Probably the
He
6.
said probably me.
Go for it.
V6 versus V6. Honestly, think the 6th gen's gonna take him. TBH, LOL.
You own a Mustang.
Yeah, I know,
How
but
many people see
I'm
hit,
a realistic. He's gonna take out Javi, and then the 6th gen's gonna win. Don't tell me I didn't call it. Me and this guy's turn. What you got? Tune and intake and exhaust?
Yeah.
You know nitrous hiding?
No.
You sure? Alright, man. Let's do it. About to race my boy Matt's 6th gen SS. There's a reason why I've never raced a 6th gen SS, because I know those motherfuckers are fast. So let's see what happens. Fucking 8 speeds are no joke. Got me by about a car and a half, I'd say, before he lit off. The Miata's gonna drag race? My money's on the Miata versus the 5.0. No way. There's no way. Yeah, he didn't catch no. That was too much of a head start. 6th gen V6. Tuned Ecoboost. Ecoboost took it. Damn. Ecoboost. No joke, bro.
fucking, we getting serious? We getting serious? Let's go!
Behind that car.
They're about to take flight, man. This is 5-0 for the win.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you today?
I got me some McDonald's. Currently 1 a.m. right now. Don't know what I really recorded tonight. It was really just a spontaneous video, but if you guys enjoyed, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Drop your comments down below what you guys thought of this type of video. But other than that, guys, give me a follow on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Feeling the way that I'm feeling myself. Fuck everyone else. Gotta remember that nobody's better than anyone else here. You need some time to think it over. Look what they do to you.